In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email signature in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard, go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel. And this is going to open the settings where you want to go to a general under your preferences and you want to click on email up top. To create an email signature, go down here and click on manage email signatures. And then in here, of course, you can choose the one you want to edit, but if you don't have any and you want to add a new one, keep it like it is, give it a name. I'm going to name this one instant how-to signature like this, and then the signature is going to be simple. You could do HTML as well if you want to, but I'm going to keep it at simple right now, and I'm simply going to type in best regards, and then I'm going to do instant how-to, okay? Just like this. That's going to be it. Of course, you can go and use different formatting. You can make it bold, italic, you can add images, links, whatever. I'm going to keep it like it is. Click on save, and that's it. As you can see, my signature has been updated, and now that way I've successfully created the email signature in HubSpot. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.